Hi, okay, MGS 2021, paper 2 for P5. Let's go from the end. Question 17. Hold on, let me just write this down first. Okay, 17. Okay, total mass of 7 identical cubes and 4 identical balls in the basket was 25400 grams. So as shown here, then after removing 2 cubes and 2 balls, the total mass became 1994, which is shown here. Okay, then each ball weighs 24 grams more than a cube. So find the mass of the basket. Okay, so first you need to compare. So what is missing is your 2 cubes and 2 balls, right? Which he took out. So let's find the mass of 2 cubes and 2 balls. So find the difference. 2554 minus 1994. Paper 2, can use calculator, okay? So this is 560. Then the next thing I want to find is 1 cube and 1 ball. So I take 560 divide by 2. I get 280. Now the question said that each ball weighs 24 grams more than a cube. And the total mass of a cube and a ball is 280. So I can do this. Cube and ball. Ball is more. Okay, this is 24. The total is 280. So you can take 280 minus 24, then divide by 2 to find your 1 unit, right? Okay, so 128 is the cube. Okay, so 1 cube is 128. Then to find the mass of 1 ball is 128 plus 24. Okay, what are we supposed to find? You're supposed to find the basket. So you can use this diagram now. You can find two balls. You can use the first one, you can use the second one. I'm going to use the second one because the numbers are smaller. So 2 balls and 5 cubes. Okay, so 5 cubes will be 5 times 128. Then 2 balls will be 2 times 152. This is 304. And this is 640. Okay, then after that, you add them up to find the total mass. 944. So remember, you want to find the basket, right? So you take this total, this 1994 minus away 944. So basket. I get 1050. So what units is this? This is in grams, right? Grams. So take note, find the mass of the basket in kilograms. So I need to convert. 1050 grams is 1.05 kilograms. Convert wrongly, you lose the answer mark. Okay, that's for 17.
You wait a while.
Oh,
It's already 1 hour and 5 minutes. Are you gonna go through every single question?
No, not everything.
Like some questions are.
The mostly the
Like
back
you're gonna go
ones.
through. You're gonna go through
What you
8
need?
questions. 8 questions, right?
Yeah. But what questions you need, you can key in and check.
Teacher,
Yes.
it's 10.
What then? 1, 2,
10
3, 4, 5,
question.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. If got time, I go through 10 in the next 30 minutes. Okay, can I go on next one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
Teacher, means each question have to take 3 minutes.
impossible, right?
Yeah, it's very impossible.
Unless the easy ones I do fast. The shorter ones, I mean.
There's
Done.
no easy one.
Okay, this paper quite hard. Go back. Done.
Done.
Can you go through question 14?
14, yeah, sure. 16, 15, 14, 13.
Yeah, then we end the class now.
Hello? Done?
Everybody copy down.
Done.
Okay, 16. Then had some marbles. He placed 1/6 of them in box A and 1/4 of the remainder in box B. Okay, let's draw model. The rest are placed in box C. Okay.
Oh my gosh,
1/6.
it's only 8 participants here.
1/6 in box A. Then 1/4 of the remainder in box B. And the rest in C.
I feel so sad for the people doing this paper.
Everybody has to do.
I mean the school.
So then move 21 marbles from C to B and some marbles from C to A. In the end, each box contains the same number of marbles. Okay, you don't need that one for part B. For part A, they are asking what fraction was in C at first. Okay, so for C at first, can you see this part here? 1, 2, the remainder are these 5 units on top. It's actually the same as the 4 units below. So we have to make it equal number of units. Common multiple is 20. So each at the top, I put 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 to get 20 units. For the remainder, remainder. This part here. 20 units. So make it 20 units below as well. So 5 each. Okay, so now let's find the ratio. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, right now I ratio first. A to B to C. A is
Teacher.
4. Yeah.
For the A, 4 times 6 is 24, not 20.
4 times 6. No, the remainder part.
Yeah, yes. Put A is also 4 units.
Okay, because right, you see the remainder is 20, right? Like 4 each is 20. Then I make the bottom 20 also, right? Yeah. Then because in the first ratio, each of the unit, I change it to 4 units. So my A, I also need to change it to 4 units. Okay, now what fraction of the total was in C? So C over total. C is 15. Okay, then total. Okay, if I add a total here, that will be 24. So 15 over 24. Simplify. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So answer 5 over 8 for part A. Okay, let's look at part B. How many marbles were there all together? Okay, let's do a before change after. At first, the ratio is 4 to 5 to 15. The total is 24. Now there's a change, right? The change is that then moved 21 from C to B. And some from C to A. So if we have A, B, C, we are taking away 21 from C, move it into B. We are taking some from C and put it into A. So in the end, they have the same. You know, they're actually taking marbles from one and putting it into another, right? What kind of transfer is this called? This is like,
Internal, external.
no lah, into internal. They are not taking out. I mean, they're not taking it away, right? They are just exchanging from one box to another. So it's internal transfer. Internal transfer, what wouldn't change?
Total.
Yeah, total. Okay, so you need to make total the same. That's the common base. So this is times 8. Okay. How many marbles were there altogether? Okay. Now let's take a look at this one. B. B from 5 units. If you add 21, you end up with 8 units. So
So
what is
21 is 3 units.
yes. Why don't I use A or C? Because A got question mark, C also got question mark. I don't know what number is that, right? Okay, so I use B. So 3 units is 21. 1 unit is 7. Marbles altogether, total is 24 units. So 24 units is
Teacher, you can oh, okay, never mind.
okay. So that's the answer, 168 for part B.
Teacher, you never write the bottom.
But okay. You're right, can already, ma.
Teacher, we got more than 3 minutes to do this question.
Yeah, done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, 15. John and Keith had the same number of sweets. Each of them packed. Oh, this question. Okay, so each of them packed his own sweets into packets. John packed 5 sweets in each packet and had 2 left. Keith packed 8 and was short of 4. How many sweets did each of them have if they used the same number of packets? So the number of packets must be the same. This is listing method. Okay, so listing, the first one is times 5, 2 left, so plus 2.
Multiples of 5, then plus 2.
Yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Can you do the other method?
What?
The listing method, not this method.
This is listing, what? Isn't this?
But there's another method.
Keith will be 8 in each packet. Short of 4 will be minus 4. What other? This is listing, right?
Where is this thing?
So, okay, if it's same number of packets, right? Your number of packets must be the same. So you do like that. 1 packet, 2 packets, 3 packets, and so on. Must match. Megan, I don't think so. Okay.
Why is question so long?
Yeah, this is a bit long. Okay, then after 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. Oh, we're supposed to match. Oh, yeah, okay. But A, same number. Got any match or not? Have, right? By the way, when we match, don't have. Yeah, no. Yeah. Have, there. You cannot see, you do until 100. Okay, so the first one that matches is 12, and it must be in the same column for part A. Okay, then part B, right? You want something similar. Okay, you want something similar, but the condition is that they have to use different number of packets. So can it be 12? So it's not 12 because 12 is same number of packets, right? So you continue to list until you get the same in the second row. Okay, so you continue to list.
Why? Why is question so long?
List law minus 4. Ayo, wrong. Not 44. Minus 4.
Sure, I'm gonna run out of space.
Okay, still don't have, right? Don't have. Okay,
Yeah, still don't
continue.
have. Huh?
Ah, the top one is smaller than the bottom, right? Let's continue the top first. 9 times 5, 45, 47. 10 times 5, 50, 50. Okay, there we have it. Everyday. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so the first part A, right? Answer 12. Part B answer 52. That's the number of sweets. 12 and 52. Okay? Done?
No.
Oh,
This is such a long question.
yeah. 18 more minutes.
18?
Ah,
Huh? No? Only have 18 more minutes. They're so short.
yeah. You done?
No, no. Okay, that's the bottom. What the rest of the bottom?
12 and 52.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Teacher, this one took 5 minutes.
Okay.
Sarah, do you want a bun?
Huh?
Yeah, have
no.
a bun.
Oh, thank
You
you.
don't be hungry.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Okay, figure below ABJM is a square, and then you have a rectangle CEGH. Okay, so you have 12 cm, 7 cm, and 3 cm. Then all the lengths here equal, right? It's all marked out for you already. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the 6 sides are equal. Find the area of the shaded part.
Teacher, that question very hard.
This question,
Yeah.
okay lah, not very hard. Just very tedious, a lot of steps. Okay, so what you
Any
need to
steps
do?
is it?
Yeah, explain first, no time really. Okay, so I have to find the area of the whole thing, right? Like the big rectangle, I mean the big square plus the big rectangle, then minus away the triangle, minus triangle, minus triangle. Okay, so how about this? Let's name this X, Y, Z. Okay, to find X, right, I need the base, which is this, and these 3 sides are equal, so 12 divided by 3 first. So
Didn't
ML,
get 4.
so this is 4. Okay, this is 4. Then what else? Okay, this is 4. This is 4. So Z can find already, right? Okay, how about I need the height of this. You know, this is a square, right? I mean, according to the question. If you read the question, then you know it's a square. I don't read, you don't know. Okay, this is 12. Then this is 12. So the height of X, MN, will be 12 minus 7. So this is 5.
Teacher, ML look like the measurement for the
Oh,
figure.
no, that one's small m, small l. How about this one? HJ, how to find? You know, we know this is 12, right? This is 12. Then this is 4. So the height of triangle Y is 12 minus 4. Oh no, this is HJ. 12 minus 4.
J12. Wait, why 12 minus 4?
This one 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then this one 4, right?
Oh,
Ah. Okay, then let's find triangle X. Half times 4 times 5. Triangle Y. Half times 4 times 8. Triangle Z. Half times 4 times 4. So the total area of the unshaded is 10 plus 16 plus 8. 34.
so answer's 34.
No lah, that one unshaded. We want shaded.
No.
Okay, so the total area will be the square plus the
Why
rectangle.
so long? And why so tedious?
Yeah lah, that's what I said ma. Very tedious.
Mm,
But it's not hard, okay?
It's tedious and
Yeah.
tiring.
Okay, so the total area is 200. Then 200 minus away the unshaded 34. Which is 166.
What?
So answer 166.
Wait, teacher not done.
Oh. Why don't I just go through, then later you can.
Done.
Okay. 13.
Neat.
13 draw model. Okay, 9 units. By the way, this is her money. Okay, this is not the length of the ribbon. This is her money. 9 units is her money. So she used 1/9, right, to buy what? To buy some 5 meters of ribbon, right? So this
You
is
actually don't have
spent.
to draw model.
Huh?
Yeah, there's another method not to use model.
Yeah, you can don't draw model also, but you must know what you're doing. Okay, then 3/4 of the remaining money. Since my remainder is 8 units, right? So since the remainder is 8 units, so what we do is you can change the 3/4 into 8 units. So 6/8, right? So 6 out of 8 is what she used to buy more ribbons to complete her project. So I just use another color. No, let's label project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, she used to buy for her project. Now each meter of ribbon cost 90 cents. She bought 5 meter, right? Okay, 1 meter, 90 cents. 5 meter will be 5 times 90 cents, which is $4.50. So actually this is $4.50. How much did she pay for all the ribbons? Total of 7 units that she paid.
7 units.
So 7 times 450. So answer is $31.50.
Okay. What other questions showing?
Then
Teacher, there's only 10 more minutes left.
okay, I'll do whatever I can in 10 minutes. You done? 13?
Yeah. I think we can only do 3 questions.
Okay. Okay, question 10, rectangular tank measuring 20 by 42 by 16 was 2/3 filled with water. Okay, so let's
Oh,
find,
teacher, I missed our question.
ah,
Can you go through question 12?
Question 12 is so
Oh.
easy.
Okay, question 12. Yeah, B, right? B, right? B,
Yeah, I
huh?
need B.
Okay, then A is just this. First hour plus the 19 minutes, which we have to count as 30 minutes. So 120. Okay, let's look at B. So she parked from 5:10 p.m. on Monday to 9.
Teacher, your plus look like times.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Monday, 5:10 p.m. Tuesday, 9 a.m. Okay, first hour is until 6:10. So 6:10 p.m. Then all the way until overnight parking 10 p.m. Right, until 10 p.m. Okay, until 10 p.m. Then from 10 p.m. right is until 6:30 a.m. So we need to do a 6:30 a.m. This one is Tuesday. Okay, so each of this one is $2.50 first hour. Then from 6:10 to 10 p.m. right? How many hours? How many minutes? So this is 3 hour 50 minutes. So first hour 250, 3 hour and 50 minutes. Wait, this is your overnight parking $10. Then this
Next week,
is
do we have exam paper?
what?
Next week, do we have exam paper?
Yes. So
Is
add
it
the
harder?
total. So add the total time up. I don't know. Then this will be 6 hours and 20 minutes. Which means that there are 13 times of 30 minutes. We count it as 13 times, okay? The last 20 minutes is counted as one more 30 minutes. So 13 times of 30 minutes means 13 times $1.20. And you get 1560. Okay, so this two here is 1560. So now the total amount that you need to pay will be this, and this. So 250, 1560 plus $10. Answer.
This is the last question.
I got 5 more minutes.
Oh my gosh, my hands are painful doing this. I don't think we can finish the question in 5 minutes.
No, I won't finish all then. Next.
Can you post on that website?
Yeah.
Can I go to question 5?
Wait, tank. Okay, wait. There's a tank 2/3 filled, right? So you find this volume. So 2/3 times length times breadth times height. You get the volume at first. Then there's a leak at the bottom. Water seeping out at 8 ml per second. So if this is the volume, if this is the volume, right, then you divide by 8 to find the time taken. First, you have this much, right? This is in cubic cm, which is the same as ml. So you divide by 8, you get 1120. This is in seconds. They say leave it in minutes. So seconds means you divide it by 60. Divide by 60. Then you get this. Round it to 1 decimal place.
Teacher,
Yeah.
why they say 1 decimal place? Why do you need 4 decimal place?
Just may end your lessons.
Oh, you have to use your
Students,
approximation
you
sign.
may pack up your belongings. Please remember to bring whatever you need to the main school hall.
No, but you
Yeah,
said
so we are
you
all
put
gathered
you
at the
put
school
4
hall.
decimal place.
4 classrooms
No,
will be
if
locked.
you don't want to
Okay,
write
we're
this,
not
also
entertaining any
can.
request to open to retrieve
That
your
that is
belongings.
supposed to be
Okay, so you
6.
have time now to pack
No,
up.
One,
then
eight
find
point-
answer.
The main school hall.
I thought it's 18.66.
That's 2 decimal places.
Then you round to 1. What?
Also can. This one is not as important. Your answer is here. Your final answer mark is here.
Okay, can end.
3 more minutes.
Okay, done.
Yeah, 3 more minutes. Like,
Yeah, teacher, when
very
you can
long.
do one more question.
9 ah?
3
Nine.
more
Nine.
easy
9 ah?
question.
Okay. Ratio S to B is
Can you do
S to
number 4?
4.
Yeah.
Teacher, 4 very easy. Just use calculator.
Can I just go through 9 first? So his age to the brother's age is 2 to 3. How many years later the ratio will be 5 to 7? This is difference unchanged because it's age, right? The difference is 1. Difference is 2. Hey, this one must know like unchanged difference because it's age. So in how many years? We are finding the question mark. They both add question mark. Okay, so 12 years old, 12 years old is 4 units at first. This one. So 1 unit is 3. We're finding the change from 4 units to 5 units, which is 1 unit. Then this is what we want, right? 1 unit. So answer 3.
Teacher, can you go through 8 now?
Bye.
Bye-bye. 8 last one, last one before I end.
Yeah.
How many children went? Below
how
12.
many?
Below 12.
2.
1. Only one that's
One.
below 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 1 child. So 80% of the ticket, 100%
Mm-hmm.
is 1350. Yeah, Noel, yes. Bye-bye. Karen, you got the number of children wrong, is it? That's why.
Hmm?
You got the number of children wrong, is it?
No,
It's
I didn't
supposed.
do because I don't know. So I didn't do.
I don't know. 3 adults, 3 times 1350 plus 1 child. Tell me if you understand.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh,
你今天最要来，拜一好。
okay, 4:30 already. I need
我不行啊。
Okay, can you upload the rest on the website?
the rest.
Yeah, the rest of the question on the website.
Only 2 more questions, right?
Yeah, can you upload?
Okay, okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, question 6 and question 5, Wesley and Xavier, 217. Then Xavier and Yixian 105. Wesley is 3 times, so 3 to 1. W to Y is 3 to 1. So if W is 3, then Y is 1 unit. You can find the difference. So here we have X plus 3 units and X plus 1 unit. So the difference is 2 units. So we find the difference. This will be 112. Then you take 112, divide by 2 to find 1 unit. You are supposed to find Xavier. 1 unit is Y. X and Y is 105. So to find X, we take 105 minus 56. Okay, then yeah, 105 minus 56. So that will give us 49. So answer 49. Okay, question 5. In a basketball game, average score of 10 people is 13.2. Okay, so we need to see if the statements are true, false, or not possible to tell. First one, every player scored at least 13 points. At least 13. Not okay. It is not possible to tell. It can be true, at least 13. Yeah, all of them can score like 13 and above, or 13.2. Yeah. So we cannot really tell if it's true or not. Or some of them may score 12 and then another person scored 14. So it's not always true that it's at least 13. It can be true. So it's not possible to tell. Okay, then the last one, right? The last one, after including 2 more players who scored 10 and 12 respectively, the average of each player in the team would decrease. Okay, so now we have 10 of them, the average is 13.2. If we were to include 2 more that scored below the average, then the average will definitely decrease. So that one is true. They will pull the average down. If one is lower, one is higher, then we can't really tell. Okay, so yes, it's true.